Hair fall. Hair fall has so many causes, but the very common causes we'll discuss it today. So, what are the common causes for which you can get hair fall? First of all, let's talk about nutritional deficiencies. The nutritional deficiency, iron deficiency anemia, it promotes hair fall. Even deficiency of vitamin B12, ये भी hair fall करता है. And even vitamin D, if it is less, you can have hair fall. एंड सेकेंडली अदर हार्मोनल कंडीशंस, जैसे कि आपको अगर थायराइड है यू कैन हैव लॉट ऑफ हेयर फॉल. इफ़ यू हैव पीसीओडी तब भी आपका हेयर फॉल हो सकता है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव अदर डिजीजेस, अदर सिस्टेमिक डिजीजेस, डेफिनेटली यू कैन हैव हेयर फॉल. सो कॉमन कॉजेज़ में तो यही पीसीओडी, थायराइड और आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एनीमिया आता है. Another cause is nutritional deficiencies, mainly if you don't eat a balanced diet of fiber, good amount of good fats and protein is very important to maintain the health of your hair. So if you have hair fall, what should you do? You must always consult a doctor and get your routine blood investigations done so that आपको कोई थायराइड या कोई डेफिशिएंसी या विटामिन्स की आपको पता चले और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी डाइट को भी इम्प्रूव करें और मल्टीविटामिन्स आप ले सकते हैं. सेकेंडली, इफ़ यू हैव थायराइड, so some people have normal thyroids but they have to get their antibodies also checked for thyroid. That is also a very important test for checking the hair fall. Then if you want to treat hair fall, you can have variety of lotions. We have good supplements, biotin supplements, and improving your quality of your sleep, that also improves the hair fall. These days in the newer generations there is a trend to disrupt their sleep cycle. Everyone is sleeping at 3-4 a.m. and that can also promote hair loss. Other therapies which are given at our clinic are minoxidil based therapies and lotions which we are giving. A good shampoos is one which you can use, and if lot of procedures you have done on your hair like straightening or keratin, then you can use hair masks which are available with us. Then PRP is the latest treatment. PRP in the form of GFC therapy, growth factor concentrate, is also a very good treatment to restore the volume of your hair. And of course, hair transplant is the last option when you think the hair follicles are not that enough that they can regrow. So a good hair care routine is must to protect your hair. First of all, if you have oily scalp, never apply oil on your scalp. And secondly, wash your hair as per requirement. It's not like once a week, twice a week. If you have oily hair, you can wash your hair daily and apply a good conditioner after a good wash. Then secondly, if you have dry hair, you can try some of the hair masks prior to washing the hair, or you can use some serums after washing the hair. Then a good shampoo is also a good investment in a good hair care. And then you must always massage the hair like about half an hour before taking hair bath. It's not that you massage it and then keep the oil on your hair. So you can apply oil and massage it about half an hour to 1 hour prior to your hair bath. And a balanced and a proper diet is a must for making your hair healthy. If you have any above mentioned hair issues, you can DM us or you can consult your dermatologist. And if you send messages to us about queries of your hair loss, then we can suggest you a very good hair routine and how to protect your hair in this summers. Subscribe to our channel to know more skin and hair related tips.